So it was quite a nice evening, and I thought I did have some wine to help me, and it's taken me a few hours, let's be honest, and I've faffed around with some bits and bobs that I already had, and yeah, look, there's some good looking things here, and lots of things, to be honest. The rest is an absolute tip. But I've been trying to give some love back to the plants, and then that is all the stuff to go to the déchetterie, the recycling centre, barbecue. But I was trying to play around with this bit and make it a little bit cuter, and yeah, lots of things are getting some extra nutrients because this place has been unloved for 3 years, and it's not very fair, is it? We brought these lovely chairs over, which I'm obsessed with, which probably don't really go with my little look, but I've got my little cherubums here who I adore.